Flipped classrooms is where you will be provided with all of the information that you would usually receive in a lecture beforehand. So you'll have e-learning content. That might be a video like this one, where a lecturer is talking to you about a subject. They might cut it with their lecture slides or videos or podcasts. Or there might be an e-learning module that you will work through, and you'll be required to do this before you come to class, because the 3 hour contact time is going to be involved in active learning activities where you're going to be working by yourself, but also with other members of the class, to consolidate this learning and to drive it further. And we'll be there on the side to guide you in your learning and to help you understand the trickier parts of the course. So instead of just sitting and listening to us, it's going to be a much more active process, and we are going to expect you to come prepared, but we're also going to be more accessible to you than a standard lecture. One of the techniques that we might use in class is called team-based learning, or TBL. And this is it's a nice structured way of doing an active learning session, where you first work individually and then in teams to work on particular problems. And the way it's fed back to the whole group and to your facilitator is all very controlled and specific. So this is just one of the ways in which we'll be teaching, and lots of different modules will teach in different ways. Some will use TBL for everything, others will use it once in a while, or might use other learning techniques. And we'll be doing this either in big spaces where you can all sit around tables, but also we might be doing these activities in lecture theatres.